Today we will be demonstrating the Logic-Seal Vac-U-Temp. The Vac-U-Temp is the world's finest negative pressure temperature controller. Since 1976, thousands of injection molders have used our equipment to stop leaks in their molds caused by worn O-rings or even physical cracks in the mold. Let's take a closer look at the Vac-U-Temp. As you can see, the unit is compact, rugged, and well laid out. The unit is plumbed with non-corrosive copper and bronze, and an 11-gauge stainless steel reservoir. The front panel includes 3 indicator lights and 2 switches, one for the pump and one for the vacuum. The rear of the unit has ports for the coolant lines to and from your mold, and ports for your process fluid supply and drain. This connection is for the air supply. The Vac-U-Temp uses an air venturi to create the vacuum. This proprietary process of using an air venturi allows our unit to create the highest possible vacuum with the highest possible flow rate through the mold, because none of the pump's horsepower is diverted to creating the vacuum. The result is a superior leak-stopping unit with the largest range of possibilities available. Logic-Seal guarantees our equipment to stop your leak. Just fill out our sizing sheet on our website at www.logicseal.com, and we will recommend a unit to you, send you a quote. And remember, Logic-Seal ships all of their equipment from stock. Let's go to the tooling room. We're in our tooling room with a mold that is used to manufacture injection molded parts for our demonstration. What we're going to do now may seem extreme. We are going to destroy this tool by actually drilling a 1/8 inch hole in one of the cooling circuits of the tool. Okay, now let's get this mold up and running and see what has happened. We're here with a 200-ton injection molding machine. As you can see, we are running the mold, and the 1/8 inch diameter hole has caused such a leak we can't actually run the part. Now let's hook up this Vac-U-Temp VT2600 model and get that leak stopped. The Vac-U-Temp is available in a wide range of voltages and uses 3-phase power. Here you can see we've hooked up the air supply. Note the air supply needs at least 80 psi. We've also hooked up the coolant, the reservoir, and the coolant return. We've hooked up the to-mold and from-mold lines. All of these connections are female NPT. The to and from mold are 1 1/4 inch, and all others are 3/4 inch. Note our hoses are vacuum rated, and if you are going to use quick release attachments, be sure they are rated for a vacuum. Now watch what happens when we activate the main power on the Vac-U-Temp. First, the unit will begin to fill, and then stop when we have reached the tank full position. Now let's turn on the vacuum switch. Next, we set the process temperature, and we adjust the regulator screw with a ratchet wrench. First, we close the regulator all the way by turning counterclockwise. Then start turning the screw clockwise slowly. Watch where the leak has started again. Now just ease back a bit, and there we are now running at the point of best possible flow while maintaining a leak-stopping vacuum level. And we're done. This mold doesn't need repair, and we can use the mold forever. We don't have to stop production. This means your customer gets their parts on time, and the job just got much more profitable. Congratulations.